let's just go across now this Dhanteras to our markets and just let's see what the situation is there this Dhanteras. Go across to Akshay and Arun, both in Delhi, and Saurabh in Mumbai. But let's start with you, Akshay, because you're in Sarojini Nagar. Look at the crowds behind you. Do any of them realize that the pandemic is still on?
Well, it doesn't look like that the fear of COVID-19 is still here in this particular market, and it all, from the looks of it, clearly it seems that the festive mood has trumped the fear of COVID-19. I will try to show you a 180-degree view from here and show you what people are doing. People have not only come here for Diwali celebrations, many people are just enjoying here in the market. They are eating at chaat stalls. I would like to just show you there are shops as well at some distance from here. At the entry of the market, only thermal checking is going on. Otherwise, there is no sign of social distancing in the market. People are not wearing masks as well. People are just roaming around freely, and this after more than 8,500 cases have been reported yesterday. There are only 13% of ICU beds with ventilators vacant at this time in all the hospitals in the national capital, but it seems that people are not deterred by that fact that we are still in the middle of a pandemic, and the national capital has in fact become the capital of COVID-19 as far as the cases are concerned.
Absolutely.
So the situation is very, very scary and disheartening, because a lot of effort by COVID warriors are in vain because of all this that is happening right now.
Absolutely. And remember, Delhi, the air pollution. And Arun, we know the Delhi High Court came down very strongly on this. Of course, well, it's good for the shopkeepers that people are back in the crowds, but there doesn't seem to be any precautions being taken there. You're in Lajpat Nagar currently, another popular Delhi market. What's the situation there?
Yeah, not at all. We are in Lajpat Nagar. It's absolutely packed, and the situation is worse in the interior part of the market. Now, this market is specifically very popular for Diwali shopping. People are out here. I was very surprised at first sight to see people with masks, almost everybody. But then the reason behind that is there are multiple teams here in Lajpat Nagar which are chalaning people, and they are chalaning around 500 rupees to those who are not with masks. And again, street food is absolutely on. There are people waiting to eat here from the street market. One good thing is that small vendors here are getting an opportunity to make some money. But the bigger picture here is that it's absolutely not safe during COVID-19. People are out, but they don't realize that COVID-19 is very much in the country.
In fact, I can see you're standing right next to that chaat seller or whatever. Why don't you ask him how his business has been, and what does he feel worried about COVID and all this crowd?
Sure. I'll go there and I'll also talk to this gentleman here. आप बताइए कि भीड़ फिलहाल कोविड की वजह से बढ़ गई है।
जी।
तो आपको क्या लगता है कि लोगों में डर खत्म हो गया?
डर तो सर है सबको, बट ये सर त्योहार हमारा है, इसको मद्देनजर रखते हुए पब्लिक प्लेस जो है, भीड़ तो है, क्राउड तो है।
आपका बिजनेस बेहतर हो गया?
बेहतर नहीं सर, बट ठीक है, भीड़ भाड़ है थोड़ा सा।
भीड़ तो बहुत है उस हिसाब से।
हाँ, बट काम नहीं सर, जो होना चाहिए पब्लिक प्लेस में वो चीज नहीं हो रहा।
क्या करने आ रहे हैं फिर लोग बाहर अगर खरीद नहीं रहे?
खा पी रहे हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं सर। Public
we'll check there as well. There are a few people there around the food stalls. I'll check if they are you here to eat? Okay, then there are people. Have you come here to eat?
Yes, like for Diwali shopping basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
But aren't you scared to come out during COVID-19?
Everybody is scared, but as you can see around, there are many.
Diwali craze will not come again, no?
Diwali is not come.
It will take 1 year more.
Okay.
That's the
long
mentality
period.
of Indian people. That's the mentality of Indian people. You can't help it.
Actually, you know, the Diwali ladies normally they wait for Diwali, so
Okay.
we have forgotten about all Corona and all that stuff.
Okay.
Yes, but we are taking care of that also. Actually, there is no social distancing, but still we are taking care.
Absolutely no social distancing, but as I said earlier as well, there is a better business opportunity for small vendors.
Right.
There are Delhi police officials also here, which are patrolling around.
So, Arun, I'm
yeah.
just going to go. I mean, it's actually, when you hear these people, they've been so cooped up so long inside, but you just need to be careful. Saurabh, over to you in Mumbai, because you made the point that even though Mumbai cases have been coming down, they're really worried about what's going to happen after what some officials are predicting as a festive peak.
Absolutely, January, February is when they are fearing that there will be a peak, but that fear doesn't seem to be reflecting amongst the crowds here. Now, this is the Dadar flower market, usually very crowded on Diwali. If you compare it to previous Diwali's Dhanteras, well, maybe it's a little less. But you know, like Akshay was pointing out, people are eating pani puri, masks are off, most of the vendors are without masks. There are policemen who are moving around once in a while fining people, but the larger fear of COVID-19 seems to have gone. Social distancing, as you can see in these pictures, practically non-existent. And if I can ask my camera person to show you on the other side of the flyover, you can see again completely crowded streets, very few people wearing masks. Those wearing masks, importantly, aren't covering their nose and mouth, so that's also a problem. But yes, like the authorities say, that they are fearing a spike in cases post the festive season, and given the kind of lack of social distancing that we see, and also the point that there is of course no awareness among people, at least that's what it seems like from the pictures, there is going to be a spike is what authorities fear, and the crowds clearly thronging the markets, throwing caution to the wind.
Right, Saurabh, so that's the situation there today, this Dhanteras. Let's see what it's like over the next 2 days till Diwali. Thanks very much all of you for joining me.